Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the microSD card into your XIAOMI Smart C701. In order to do it, you need to take this black part and just swipe it up, and you'll find the microSD card slot. Now I'll get my microSD card and I'll put it in. So it has to be the microSD card, otherwise it just won't fit. I have a 128GB one, but that's quite a big one. Honestly, it is. You don't need that big of a card. The bigger the card is, the more data it'll store. It just depends on how long you want the data to be stored. Remember that once the card is full, it'll just overwrite the oldest recordings unless you save them in the app as something important, because then they won't be overwritten. Let's put the card in. As you can see, it goes with like a little angle here. Make sure it clicks in, and then you can power on your camera. Mine's not plugged in currently, so let's do it. And let's go to the app so we can actually format the card so it is readable for your camera. I'll just go into the app pretty quickly. It is currently being turned on, so it'll also take a little moment for it to begin to work.
Please check in the Mi Home 小米 Home APP SD 卡暂未启用，请在米家 APP 中查看。
Okay, now it said that the microSD card is not enabled. Let's go to the settings in the three dots in top right corner. Then go to the manage storage button. Go to SD card status. As you can see, it says not formatted, so it won't work unless you format it. Let's format it by going to format SD card, then click on OK. Wait a little moment, the card will get formatted, and after that you will be able to record onto it. You can also change the recording mode, which we'll get into in a moment. You can see that it says estimated 10 days for loop recording, so just 10 days of constant recording. If you go to recording mode, you can actually go to always or record events. If it's set to record events, it will only record if the AI algorithm detects a specific event. It's all up to you. Of course, the always method is more trusted. Then you can find storage on off. You can disable it so it'll stop recording onto the SD card, and you can enable it so it'll start recording everything. Now let's go to the camera. I'll turn it on because it's currently hidden, you can see. Okay, yeah, and now it is basically recording onto my SD card. And later you can view all these recordings in the playback if you go here. And I believe, from what I remember, these recordings are like separate videos from each minute. So for each minute, there will be a separate recording. So now I cannot play it yet, but in some time I will be able to do that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.